so now today we are going to be working on weight measurements. So we looked at distance, and now we're going to look at weight. So I'm going to do weight measurement. Page 129. Okay, I'm going to put today's objective. So today I will convert weight measurements, and I'm going to put this inside my notebook. Okay, so we get a nice little break with our weight measurements. So we only have to look at pounds and ounces, and then kilograms and grams. So remember, our pounds, since they're on the left side, these are more, or these are bigger, I guess you could say, and these are our smaller units. So ounces is smaller than pounds. So we're still going to do kind of the same thing with how we convert. So 1 pound, or LB, is what we would see it as an abbreviation, is equal to 16 ounces. So that's why we multiply times 16. Remember what we learned, that when we go to a smaller unit of measure, we multiply. And when we go from a smaller to a bigger, we divide. So there's 16 ounces in a pound, so that's why we're working with this number 16. Okay, so our next one is a kilogram. So 1 kilogram, or kg, is equal to 1,000 grams. So grams is smaller than kilograms, and it is smaller by 1,000. So when we are going to a smaller unit, we multiply, and when we're going from a smaller to a bigger, we divide. So let's look at some examples. Number 1, if a watermelon weighs 5 pounds, how many ounces is that? Okay, so first we need to determine what are we converting. We know we're going from pounds to ounces. So we need to think, are we going bigger or smaller? We are going smaller. So smaller means we multiply by whatever the conversion rate is. So we're going to multiply the number we're given. So 5 pounds times, and then however many are in an ounce. So 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. So we're going to multiply by that 16. So those are just things we have to memorize. They want to know how many ounces, so I'm going to multiply. There's 16 ounces in 1. So 5 times 16, we can do area model, or we can do algorithm. So I'm going to expand 16. 10 plus 6 and 5. This is 50, and this is 30. So it's going to give me 80, but I can also do the algorithm. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the tens place, 5, 6, 7, 80. So it's equal to 80 ounces. So 5 pounds is equal to 80 ounces. Okay, let's look at another one. Number 2. If a rock weighs 3,000 grams, How many kilograms is that? Okay, first thing I need to figure out is what am I converting to. So I'm going from grams to kilograms. So am I getting bigger or smaller? Well, grams are smaller than kilograms, so I'm getting bigger. So bigger means I have to divide. So I'm going to take what they give me, 3,000 grams divided by, and then I'm going to check just because I'm not really sure just yet. How many grams are in a kilogram? 1,000. So I'm going to divide by my conversion rate. So 1,000, and that's going to give me, I'm going to cross out my zeros because I'm dividing. Cross out. All I have left is 3. So 3 kgs. So 3,000 grams is equal to 3 kilograms. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. If the mass of a toy is 48 ounces, how would the mass be reported in pounds? Okay, so let's take a look. Step 1, figure out what I'm converting to. So I'm going to go from ounces to pounds. Okay, am I going bigger or smaller? Well, ounces are smaller than pounds, so I'm going bigger. So that's going to be divide. So I'm going to take my number, 48 ounces, divided by how many ounces are in a pound, 16. And figure it out that way. I'm going to either do the algorithm or division area model. Have my dividend inside, and 16. Can 6 go into 4? No. So I'm gonna move over place value. How many times can 16 go into 48? So let's see. Well, 16 times 4, what would that give us? Oop. That's way too much. 16 times 2, 32. Let's try 16 times 3. 18. Oh, perfect. That's a perfect one. So 16 times 3 is 48. So to equal 3 pounds. So 48 ounces is equal to 3 pounds. Okay, I'm going to give you one to work on tonight. So homework will be if a bag of oranges has a mass of 4 kilograms, what is the mass in grams? Okay, so I want you to do step 1, 2, and 3 and come to school with your notes and that question done.